Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make professional title sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your project and go to Graphic Workplace at the top. Now click the Type tool and click anywhere on your video to add text. Now type your main title. Then use the Essential Graphic panel to change the font, size and color. Now to add motion, go to Effect Control panel. Under text, click Transform and use keyframe on the position or scale to make your title fade in, slide in or zoom in. Next, create a background or shape behind your text by going to Graphics. Click New Layer, click Rectangle or Ellipse. Adjust the color and position for a stylish title look. When you're happy with your edit, select all your title layer, right-click and click Next. And you have gotten your complete title sequence ready to use anywhere. And that's how you can create a clean and professional title sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.